right here from the public zoo. We got some cool, they're cute, right? Girls are like, oh, where'd you get that? I'm like, yo, thepubliczoo.com, man. So it's your birthday, come to the front. I'm about to give it to you right now. Only at Carnival. I'm gonna throw one in the crowd too. I think I'm gonna throw this one in the crowd. Look at that, girls. Oh, put your hands up, LA. What's up, man? I'm gonna throw this one first. Ready? I'm gonna turn around. Oh, here we go. Where's all my Laker fans at tonight? There's one. There you go. I got a t-shirt to give away too. Hold on, hold on. Ladies, can you make some noise right now? Look at that. Ooh, wear that to the Grove, Melrose? Thepubliczoo.com. Okay, let's see. Where's the birthday girl? Is she here? Where are you? Don't fake it. Don't fake it. Check IDs. I'm not a bouncer, man. My name's Michael Benz, guys. You can check me out at crashaparty.com. So let's give away this t-shirt. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna turn around and get, yeah, okay. Here we go. My man, you give away the t-shirt. You look, ladies, put your hands up if you want that shirt right here.
What will you do for this shirt?
What would you do for a Public Zoo shirt? What's up, Sir Charles? Yeah? Oh, man, don't worry.
Show me a boob or something.
I got you. Oh, man, like that? Ooh, HBO.
Anybody else? Any takers?
Don't worry, everybody's gonna get something tonight.
Hey, will you dance for me? Will you get up here and dance for this
What
shirt?
the hell is that, dude? He just pulled it out of a box. He said it's a dick in a box. Well, how should we give this away, man? How should we give it away? Let's see. Oh, that was a weak time. You know, I'm gonna do a stadium status right now. I'm gonna throw this so high that the person that catches it is gonna be very lucky. Let's do this. That one too. Let's give that one away too. Okay? I'll go first and you go. Oh, and the bleachers. Oh, come on, man.
Oh, she ghetto.
Alright.
She's so ghetto. She's like,
We're gonna do this. Where's all my dancers at? Where's all the dancers out here tonight? What y'all doing? Yeah, man. That's what's up.
take it. What you gonna do? Take it. What you gonna do?
He's tripping, man.
No.
Chill.
Ghetto girl in the center. Ghetto girl, raise your hand.
Yo, on the count of three.
Here you go.
Right here. Thepubliczoo.com, guys. Check it out. My name's Michael Benz. Listen up. Ready? Here we go. Okay, it's cool.
Yo.
Okay, guys, we're gonna get back to the show, right, Carrie?
Yo,
let's do it. See, son.
Try.